Welcome to our comparison video, where we will take a close look at two popular portable washing machines, the ROVSUN 15 lbs portable washing machine and the mini portable washing machine. Whether you're living in a small apartment, going camping, or need a reliable washer for your RV, these machines promise convenience and efficiency. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the ROVSUN washing machine offers a substantial 15 pounds total capacity, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine has a smaller capacity of 11 Ls, which is better suited for delicate items or smaller laundry tasks. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry efficiency, especially if you have a family or do frequent laundry. The ROVSUN model comes equipped with a built-in spin dryer, allowing you to wash and dry your clothes in one machine, which is a significant advantage for those who want to save time. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine features a foldable design, making it extremely portable and easy to store. While it lacks a spin dryer, its compactness is a major selling point for travelers and those with limited space. In terms of portability, the mini portable washing machine takes the lead with its lightweight and foldable design, making it easy to carry around and store when not in use. The ROVSUN, while still portable, is heavier and bulkier, which may make it less convenient for travel. If you're looking for a machine that you can easily take with you on trips, the mini portable washing machine is the better option. In conclusion, both the ROVSUN and the mini portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The ROVSUN is perfect for those needing higher capacity and a built-in dryer, while the mini portable washing machine excels in portability and ease of storage. Consider your specific needs and living situation when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.